Right, weird noises in the woods of Vermont. So I thought we'd check it out. We've got hammers, knives, and machetes. Just in case. That could be at the neighbor's house.
I think that's nice.
Yeah, it's that way to the right. Maybe it is a tree. I think it is a tree. It's not a lot of wind. It's a tree. Over where? There's no path over there. Oh, that's a look.
I don't know where to put it.
I don't know, not there. All these dead trees. It's just like a stick straight up in the air. Those are coming down next, apparently. Oh my God. I think I'm being attacked by a bee. They're aggressive. Here's our climbing tree.
Okay. I'm gonna climb it. Hold my hammer.
Use the hammer to climb it. I'm gonna...
Oh, nice.
What? No? I can hold your hammer. What cartoon was that? Where he's like, it's okay, I'm a hammer.
Handy dandy?
Yeah, that was my favorite. I think I had created a Reddit account named I'm Okay, I'm a Hammer. Haven't used that in years. Reddit or Twitter? Reddit, I think. This is an enormous tree.
Still scary.
Yeah, I'm climbing up after you, and I'm climbing up with my phone in my hand. This can be like our perch to find and photograph wildlife, not hunt wildlife. We don't hunt. You can sleep in the tree. They'll never know we're there. feel like this is gonna be painful for people to watch. All right, I'm on the tree. Oh my God, this thing is enormous. Look how long it is. That's what she said. This thing, it's like gonna be 100 feet tall, right?
It's gotta be.
It's crazy. I guess we will be chainsawing from on top of the tree. That's dangerous. But how else are we gonna cut this thing up and supply our wood for 17 years? I don't see any wildlife.
But it's not windy for a tree.
Hmm?
It's not windy for a tree. There are no animals.
Hmm?
There are no animals. I think this is 2 trees. I think that's one.
What are you talking about? What you talking about, Willis?
I think the one on top is one, and then this is one.
You don't think that's an offshoot of it? I think it grows out of it.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
Oh, I thought you said why. I'm like, well, because that's what it looks like to her.
Why didn't we think to sit up here before?
What?
Why didn't we think to sit up here before?
I don't know.
My head didn't like that.
It's fine. I'm gonna stop.